Hello everyone. I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Friends, most people think positivity is natural, but the truth is it's a habit. And today I will share 5 powerful habits that can completely change your mind, your mood and your life. Stay till the end because habit number 5 is the one that even psychologists call a mindset transformer. Let's start. Habit number 1, morning affirmations. Start your day with strength, not stress. Every morning, say these 3 affirmations. I am capable. હું સક્ષમ છું. I am improving. હું improve થઈ રહી છું. Today will be meaningful. આજ meaningful બનશે. Habit number 2, daily gratitude. Gratitude is a brain rewiring habit. Write just 3 things you are grateful for and watch how you perspective. Small things matter, like a good meal, a supportive friend, a peaceful sleep. Habit number 3, replace negative self-talk. Negativity is not the problem. Believing is the problem. So, here's a simple technique. Step number 1, catch the negative thoughts. Step number 2, question it. Step number 3, replace it. Example, I can do this. Now I replace, I can try, step by step. Tip number 4, choose positive inputs. Your environment shapes your emotions. So choose what you feed your mind with. Motivational videos, peaceful music, uplifting books, positive people. The more good you consume, the more good you produce. જેટલું સારું કન્ઝ્યુમ કરો એટલું સારું ક્રિએટ કરો. Last and most important habit, mindfulness and pause habit. This is the habit psychologists call life-changing habit. Whenever you feel stress, stop rising for just 30 seconds. Take a breath. Breathe out. Reset. And then respond calmly. These habits won't change your life in one day, but they will change your day, every day, and then change your life. આ હેબિટ્સ એક જ દિવસમાં તમારું જીવન ના બદલે, પરંતુ દરરોજ તમારો દિવસ બદલે અને પછી તમારું આખું જીવન બદલે. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for more English motivational videos. Take care and goodbye.